Track 14. Speaking. Part 1, Worksheet 2. 1.
Do you study or work? What are you studying? What do you do?
2.
Do you like your school or job? Why? Why not?
3.
What is or was your favorite subject at school? What do or did you like most about it?
4.
Which subject would you like to learn more about?
5.
What do you find difficult about learning English?
6.
How often do you use English outside of your English classes?
7.
If you could have any job, what would you do and why?
8.
What is your greatest study or work ambition?